Good morning again. How many times are we gonna have to do this? Whew! Out, watch your head. Okay, so I'm gonna jump up on the roof, I think, and take the last bit of caulking here. Got it down, up, and sideways on the back here. That was while you were sleeping, or should have been sleeping. But anyway, now I think I'm gonna have to pop up on here and at least do, a seam on the end for the whole thing, and maybe I'll do these other seams too, I guess, and then paint. So I'm hoping this will go quick. Talk to you soon. Yeah, and I did leave that in the warm house last night, so I'm hoping, yeah, it's not cold, that it'll work a little faster today. Take a last look at it in that color. We're painting. Boom.